Tonight, state Republican lawmakers unveiled a bill they call a Parents' Bill of Rights. It would require schools to inform parents of lessons, changes at school, and school resources. It also proposes limits on teaching about sexual orientation and gender identity. WFMY News 2's Grace Holland breaks down the bill and what comes next.
Much of the bill speaks more broadly about allowing parents to request information about lessons their child receives or health care a student might get at school.
What I think the bill does is it enumerates a lot of those things that we as parents already thought we had the right to, in particular notifications and information. And hopefully this will make it not just obvious for everyone now that it's in the bill, but it also will be a little bit more uniform.
Then there are completely new rules, some directly addressing sexual orientation and gender identity. Instruction on those ideas would not be allowed for kindergarten through third grade. Schools must also notify parents if their child requests a change to their name or pronoun. Senate Leader Phil Berger says the bill is not about silencing conversations about LGBTQ issues in schools.
And there's no attempt to squelch folks from talking about things. There is a specific prohibition on it being part of a curriculum in K through third grade, and a prohibition on instruction in terms of those issues.
It has a couple of other items, including a requirement to notify parents of any changes to a child's mental, physical, or emotional health. Senate Republicans say they expect to pass the bill in the Senate before it heads to the House. Democratic Senator Michael Garrett says he is concerned about the sections on gender identity.
I think everybody thinks parents should be involved in their child's education, health, and well-being. That's not controversial. What I have seen online is kind of disturbing that this is just Florida's Don't Say Gay bill brought to North Carolina. And if that's the case, then I imagine there will be significant opposition to it.
The bill moves to committee tomorrow. If it passes, the school requirements would go into effect next school year.